Magellan Text Mining classifies text automatically according to classification models. Each model is a logical structure of topics or document types, and a model includes machine learning components and linguistic rules. You can build your own classification models, or you can use more than 20 default classification models that OpenText provides. These default models are based on industry standards. To access classification models from the home page, click Annotations and then click Classification Models. You can edit a classification model to manage its taxonomy, business rules, features, and parameters. You can also train, test, and retrain the models. On the Classifications tab, you can add or change a classification. Create relationships between classifications, and add attributes. A rule uses conditions to trigger specific actions, such as adding or removing a classification. Features are units of information that are used by machine learning and rules to determine what content might be about. Each feature is a transparent container for linguistic variations and statistical knowledge. You can add variations to features, and you can choose which classification the feature belongs to. You can train and retrain a classification model. To do so, you can use machine learning and sets of exemplars, or you can use rules, or you can use all of these. Classification models in Magellan Text Mining are transparent. Users have access to all machine learning parameters and features. For more about Magellan Text Mining, check out the other videos in this series.